In this video, my focus is on creating a human character in Blender. Our first step would be to delete this cube here. Delete. Next, we would go to Create and add a UV sphere. While here, go down to this menu and decrease the segments. Well, I would use 12 segments, also 12 rings. Now let's scale the sphere a little bit. Go to Edit Mode and View here, bottom. Also select Faces here, these two, and we would need to delete these faces. Okay, select C, press C, and these lines. Tools, scroll down to delete faces. Or front. Now we have, this is going to be the head of the character. Go to wireframe and front, and this is front. Okay. Press B and select these areas. Well, we have to use faces to this middle line, this line in the middle. I guess we would need to do it one more time. Yeah, all faces we need are selected now. Now delete them. Go to, scroll down to delete the tools and delete faces. Now you would need to select the whole faces here and go to choose a modifier. Go to the modifiers and mirror it. Okay, well, humans are symmetrical, and so we have to do this. It makes it easy to create the rest of the body of the character. Okay. Now, at this time, go to Object Mode and Solid, and the third move is to select View, to open View, and bottom. Okay, we have this now, and Edit Mode. Okay, now select these edges Well, this is on face mode, and yeah, just control, and I think all of them are selected for some not. Yeah, it's now okay. Well, we have these, and they should be dropped. Yeah, and front. Okay. Now you go to the extrude thing. It's here, extrude region. Well, this is going to be the neck of the character. Okay, and you are on proportional sizing too. Let's go to object and pull it a little up. Also scale it. Yeah. Well, now you need to do something, and that is because you are not an anatomist, or I mean, you're an artist, not an anatomist, and a human character needs bones. Later, you would go ahead and do rigifying, kind of. You create a character and you want to make it move around. So you need a rig, something like equipment that would make it move. And because you're not familiar, probably you're not familiar with anatomy, so there is one thing here. You could use that, and if you go to add here and mesh, what, not mesh, armature here. If you don't have it here in your tools, it's an add-on, so you could go to preferences and add-on and save your preferences this way. Now human metric, well, select human metric. What is that? Yeah, it's here. Let me pull it a little up and scale it. Okay, you have it here. I mean, there are many bones. And later you would probably need to be able to move some of them. So let's make it small enough. Small. And now S. This. Probably a little bit more. Okay. Let's see. If we go around, it's okay, I think. Well, there are other ways to create the character. I think for beginners and those who want to become familiar with the basic things, this would be very helpful. I mean, the human metric would be very helpful, which you could add by hitting this the add thing. Okay, if you you could use wireframe to make sure that it's okay. I mean, it's in its proper place. So I would bring it all down here, and scale it a bit. Okay, that should be good. Now we have the head and neck of the character. Okay, while these edges are selected, I would do another extrude thing, an extrude region, and do it like this. Okay, it's got to be okay, I think. So the shoulders, and add these lines, these edges to control and select, and again control and select this line when you go around. You would probably need to do it all, or move it, I mean push it back. Yeah. And do extrude region. Okay. Here. And view right, well, the right view. So you could make sure that it's in its proper place. Yeah. Okay. This is the torso. But before working on that, we would need to make the arms. So go around and put your cursor here. Control R. So you get this line. Okay. You would need another line to Control R, and let it be there. Go to Faces and select these faces, Shift, let me delete this face, I mean deselect. Okay, and delete then the faces. Well, if you go around, you can see whatever we do here happens on the left side too. This is why we need the symmetry thing. I mean that I did that at the beginning. I needed to do that at the beginning. Okay, now we have this square. Select this edge. Not that. It is not an edge. And subdivide we need it to be in half. What we need, I mean, to, and then the vertex select here. Okay, so because it's on proportional sizing, so you can't do that now. Disable for a minute and then do it like this. And we have it, we need it here too. The edge, we need the edge and the subdivision. Subdivision. And again vertex. Okay. Now you need to select these edges, all of them. Just take some time. Well, you would need to explore it yourself. Everything to explore, everything indeed. Yeah. These being selected, now we need to go to loop tools here. Look, if you don't have it, you can use the add-on. I mean, you can go to the preferences and user preferences, and it is an add-on actually. And here hit circle. Look, it just changed, kind of became round. And if you hit S, yeah, E and next S. Now let's see. Okay, and just pull it a little bit. Yeah, well, I turned off this, the proportional sizing. Well, something went wrong, but don't worry about that. I actually did not. Oh, somehow didn't get selected. So now E and S, and pull it a little bit and bring it down. Okay. To the front view. And now let's extrude it. Extrude the selected part. Okay. I did. To the right view. Yeah. Another extrusion. Well, before that, press S. Again, extrude. every time if you go to the right view, it's just easier and more convenient. I would press S and yeah, okay. So you would need to do this, I mean, to do the symmetry thing and the arm and the proportional size thing. I would do an additional thing, I mean, that is like a trick, and I mean, based on the way the human body is, and I will finish the job myself and will show you the finished work. Now if you go down and select these lines, okay, and press F, that means fill, to fill it. So I need the line here, and now select this line, control again, fill, okay, and do the extrude thing here. Let it be like this. Yeah. Well, I did it because we have to imitate the way things are in nature. I have a picture here. Okay, if you look at this, and this line here, I mean, this is the torso, I mean, the sculptor, it is an ancient statue, and I want to focus on how to, I mean, it just seems as if the leg is connected to the torso, and the line here, you see this line, so you could imitate this directly. So yeah, let's, okay, now go to select the face tool and delete these two faces. Okay, now I would select these lines, these edges, control, and this one, not that one, this one, yes, and loop tools, it's here on my computer, and circle, we have it now, the circle, look at the circle, it's not a complete circle, but it just gives the idea of having a circle. And you could it might be a good idea to select all of them to see. And circle. Yeah. Now extrude. Yeah, I think you understand what's going on and how it should be made. I think it's pretty easy to follow. So then you finish this thing, then you could also go to Sculpt mode and use different there are different brushes available in this mode, like this one, and other ones like this is for smoothing. You would need to explore these brushes. It's kind of like sculpting. I have focused on these two important things. One of them is the symmetry, and the other thing is the torso and the way you need to create the legs of the character and the way they are connected. Actually, I say connected, I mean, it might not be a good word to use here to describe this, I mean, the concept here, but I think you understand when comparing the torso in the image of the ancient statue with your character. Okay, thank you very much. The finished work, I've done this before, and the finished work, look, this is the finished work. Let me show you another picture which is almost the same. I also made clothes for the character, and you could see these pictures. I mean, this might not be ideal. I mean, I'm not an artist myself, but if you're an artist, you would need to do a lot of work to make it look like a real human being. I mean, working on the legs, on the head, and other features and aspects of the character. Thank you very much for watching my video. In my next video I will focus on rigifying and ways in which it becomes possible to make your character move around. Thank you.